against a very young team in Jordan. I'm sure you learned something from them. What is something you learned from them?
I think we've learned to respect the game no matter what. Even if they're a younger team than us compared to us, we have to give it our all kasi they also train volleyball all the time. So kahit anong mangyari, maangat at makakapuntos din sila. We had to be patient today in terms of all the things that we're working on also since we have 3 imports coming in our team. So yeah, it was a good fight and we're very grateful we got the win.
Ate Eliza, you mentioned 3 imports in your team. How was the experience like having 3 imports?
Well, it's something new. We've never had this experience then, but in terms of communication, I think yun yung isa sa mga things na we're really trying to work on just because iba yung sistema din namin and we have to integrate them in the team. But definitely, they're very nice, very kind, and all out, all heart also for the team. So it worked well for us today.
Yes, we're so excited to see more of the Creamline Fruit Smashers. But of course, any message to your fans locally and of course internationally watching us right now?
Well, to all the fans who watched today, maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito sa Phil Sports Arena. Maraming salamat. Happy Easter to everyone. And sa lahat po na nanonood sa bahay, most especially to my family. Hello, I miss you guys. And to our management, to Sir Jonathan, Attorney Lily, Sir Alan, Sir Rolly, Miss Lisan. Hello po, we miss you today. So yeah, happy Easter everyone!
Yes, thank you so much. Once again, the phenom Eliza Valdez, our best player of the game from the Creamline Fruit Smashers from the Philippines.